Okay, guys, I want to share with you what I'm doing so far with the prototype or the simple MVP, just to have a sense what is the idea that came to my mind. So basically, we have this first interface. For students, they need to click in login, or they can sign up if they want to create a new profile. In this case, I will create a profile very quick, or I can use a previous one. So in this case, I will use something that I already created. But first, let me take a look about the admin experience. So I will log in as a administrator. If I sign in, I will be able to see this little dashboard. The idea initially is on the side in this space. We'll be able to see all the real-time information, how many people are attending each stand, what are the favorites or more popular, what is the less popular, what is the average students in each stand at the moment, and all the information that we can extract from the database. But basically here I already did the total stands and the actions and the event info. So in action they can create and they can download all the QR code every time that you create a new one. In this case I will testing for Kent. I will be very simple in this example. I will put any location, availability. I will assign just 5 points. We can add an image from a URL if we want. And this is the position. This is starting from the main top left screen. So that's why I will put 90 to be very, very low. And on the Y axis, I will put 90 to be at the very right. So I will create a stand. We will see that it's working in testing for Ken. They can download individually the QR. They can edit information here. Okay. Or they can erase information. So basically this is all that they can do. We need to put the information here later, but so far this is what it is. Now let me show you how the experience work from the student's perspective. Okay guys, so we can see here that we have the same experience, but it's for the students. The students need to sign up with the information or sign in. I will use the credential that I already created to use as a student. We can see that we see the different dashboard for or different experience for the students. We see the map, we see the list. They can go to list or they can tap in the map. If they tap in the map, we see that is showing the model with all the information, the availability, the location, the little summary, and the points that stance is giving. So basically they can scan the QR code, but before that I want to make sure that in the profile the points are updated, because we need to make sure that it's working pretty good. So I will tap in the profile, and the profile is going to show us basically how many points we have gotten, how many stands we have visited, and the name of the stand that we already done with the name. Basically that's really important information for the student. So now we can see the list. If they want to just search the list and tap, we'll be able to see the same information that we have, and is allowing to scan the QR. When the QR is already scanned, this message will be appearing here, and we'll be able to see that the points are increasing. The progress bar has changed too, from 25 to 33. We can see that is already success, and the color has become from red, blue, or green to gray when they already done the scan. The color change immediately, that they have a reference that all the grades are gray ones are already done. They need to worry just for the rest of the colors. As I told you, the progress bar is showing the updated information, which is 33, before it was 25, and the profile is updating correctly, 35 points, it was just 30. And that's the simple experience. So what we need is just put it underneath in this little square the map that they are providing later, or we can just create by ourselves, and that's it. If we want to see other stand, we can go to the list and tap immediately the thing that we are looking for, and we will be able to see the information there.